Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow Cookbook. Today we're making slow roasted leg of Yao Guai. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. This recipe is the only labor you really need to do is prep. And that's going to be having one garlic bulb, quartering 3 medium shallots, just grabbing 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary and 5 sprigs of fresh mint. That is all the prep. Now you're going to put your 5 pounds of semi-boneless leg of lamb, or I use full boneless. You're going to season with salt and pepper and put it into a Dutch oven or other deep baking dish. And you're going to just add all your herbs and flavoring that you've already prepped. And you're going to cover it and put in the oven at 300 for 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 2.5 for medium, for medium rare it's 2 to 2.5, for mediums 2.5 to 3 hours. It ended up actually being a little more cooked, but that doesn't matter. It was still very good, so yeah, whatever. Then you're going to remove it from the oven to rest for 30 minutes. Move the oven rack up so if it sits in the top half of the oven. Preheat it to 500 degrees, and then you're going to put it back in uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes on each side until the fat crisps up. So this was actually the first time I've ever had lamb, and lamb does have this weird aftertaste. I don't really know how to describe it, but it did not matter because the initial taste was so good. The flavors seeped so well into the lamb meat, especially the fat. Then when you get a little fatty part, it was like just an explosion of flavor. I sound cliche, but I don't care. It was good 9 out of 10.